$38 billion. That's what the copywriting industry is worth today, and it's expected to reach $42 billion by 2030. Did you know there are over 334 million businesses out there, each one needing compelling words to market their products and services? I've worked as a freelance copywriter for the last 20 years, and let me tell you, there's been no better time to become a copywriter than today. So stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to be answering what is copywriting, and I'm also going to reveal how you can get started in the wonderful world of freelance copywriting, even if you're a beginner with zero experience. So what is copywriting? Well, copywriting is the art of writing persuasive content with the goal of getting people to take action. Copywriting is everywhere. In fact, the average person is exposed to 4,000 copywriting examples every single day, like the captions you read on Instagram, the emails begging for your attention in your inbox, the YouTube video titles like the one you just clicked on, or even Amazon products persuading you to buy. And here's the best part. You don't need a university degree or any special qualifications to become a copywriter. I should know. I never attended university, I don't have a journalism degree, and I barely passed my high school English exam. So you might be wondering, why do businesses hire copywriters? I mean, why don't they just write their own copy? Well, it's often because business owners are just too busy to write, or their existing copy isn't getting results, so they want to hire a copywriter to improve their results. For example, let's say a business sells a product on Amazon for $50, but only 5% of people who read the product description end up buying it. Obviously, something is wrong with the product copywriting. So they hire a copywriter to rewrite the product description to make it more persuasive. And suddenly, the new version is converting at 10%. This means the business is now making $250 in sales instead of $125 for every 100 visitors who check out their product on Amazon. The copywriter has effectively doubled their sales. And that's why many business owners will happily pay $100 per hour or even thousands of dollars on a project for a copywriter, because they know that the right words can dramatically increase their sales. So how can you learn copywriting if you're just getting started? Well, I'd recommend reading all of the classic copywriting books. I'd also recommend practicing writing often. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your writing skills and progress over time. You can also start by rewriting successful ads by hand if you'd like to get a feel for what it takes to write effective copy. And of course, don't forget to share your work with others and get valuable feedback. I mean, receiving feedback from top copywriters was really valuable to me when I first started my freelance copywriting career about 20 years ago. And if you're interested in getting feedback and support from other copywriters, then I highly recommend joining Copy Academy. Copy Academy is a private community where you can share your work and receive feedback from fellow copywriters. If you'd like more information, simply visit startcopywriting.com/Copy Academy, or you can click on the link in the description below this video. And if you'd like to continue to learn copywriting for free, I have a 1-hour course that you can watch right now on my YouTube channel by clicking on the video somewhere on the screen. This is one of my most popular videos because it explains everything you need to know to start copywriting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.